Good morning. This is Don Martin. I am the Reasonable Realtor. I'm with the blog, thereasonablerealtor.com. Wanted to direct you and your attention this morning to a free check sheet. You do not know what you do not know. And therefore, here's a quick condensation of a couple of books that I have written on for sale by owner. You can save thousands of dollars selling your own house. The money you save is the commission you would otherwise have to pay. But it doesn't do you a lot of good to save thousands of dollars if something that you didn't know jumps up and takes them back away. So I'm giving out a free checklist. I know you don't have a lot of time to read all the books that you should read, uh, but this is a quick checklist, and I think you'll enjoy it. I think you'll find it very beneficial. I do hope that you go to the link that I put down here below, so it'll make it easy for you to get to the checklist. I'd love it if you would subscribe at the little red square over here. Just press subscribe, and you'll be able to look at all of these videos as they come up. If you press the little bell symbol, it'll even give you an indication that there is a new FSBO come up. Look, somebody's trying to get me right now. Anyway, The Reasonable Realtor, go, subscribe, comment, hit like. Thanks.